Kamusta mga kabady? Ang pambato natin sa Super Featherweight Division na dating WBC Featherweight Champion at tubong Tagbilaran City Bohol ay nakatakdang magbabalik at lalaban sa ibabaw ng lona ngayong darating na Hunyo 15, taong 2024 kontra sa dating world title challenger na si Mexican fighter Eduardo Ramirez. May kartadang 28 na panalo, 3 talo, 3 draw at 13 yung pinatulog nito at may edad na 31 samantalang ang tubong Tagbilaran City at dating WBC World Champion na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo ay may ring record na 25 na panalo, 2 talo, 17 via KOs at may edad na 28. Magaganap ang laban nilang ito sa MGM Grand Arena Las Vegas, schedule of 12 rounds para sa WBC World Super Featherweight Title Eliminator. Pareho nakatapat ni Magsayo at Ramirez ang fighter na si Isaac Abilar at pareho nila itong pinahiga sa lona. Kaya atin mo nang balikan kung paano ni-knockout ni Magsayo at Ramirez si Abilar. Pero kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, paki-like at subscribe naman. Paki-hit na rin ang notification bell para palagi kayong updated. Maraming salamat po mga kabady. Ito ang laban ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo kontra Isaac Abilar kung saan brutal na pinatulog ng tubong Tagbilaran City na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo ang Mexicano na si Isaac Abilar sa loob lamang ng 3 rounds. Dito sa round 2, nagkapalitan ng mga malalakas na suntok si Abilar at Magsayo. Round 3. Ito ang round na tila huminto ang mundo ni Isaac Abilar. Sa lakas ng tama nito galing sa suntok ni Magsayo, parang puno ng saging itipong tinumba at tulog ito sa luna. At ito naman ang laban ni Eduardo Ramirez kontra Isaac Abilar, kung saan sa loob lamang ng third round, tinapos ni Ramirez ang kapwa Mexicano na si Isaac Abilar.
He just opened up with a vicious and still a really good fighter. He can't see the fastball. I think they can see each other pretty well. And he's not getting hit. Nice counter there. Ramirez on his way out. Snaps out a jab, gets aggressive, hits it with the left hand. On this card and the next card are going to be, there's not going to be any fight. Fires back hard. Yeah, he does fire back hard, which he doesn't want Ramirez to get all those punches out, so he stays in this fight. One thing that I like about him is that he moves. Oh! Abilar's hurt, and down he goes! It's just devastating. And Abilar, if he gets hit with one more good shot. Darren White is trying to get him to move back and forth, answer the call. Abilar right back at it, and he's on shaky legs. Yeah, he's doing the right thing, trying to hold. Oh, and another sharp right hook. Abilar out on his feet. It's over. It's over. Referee.
Ano po ang opinion nyo tungkol dito sa nalalapit na laban ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo kontra sa Mexicanong si Edward Ramirez? Paki-comment na lang po sa baba. Hanggang dito na lang po tayo mga kabady. Maraming salamat po.